For many small companies, the risk of losing business to larger competitors has never been greater. Today's customers can purchase goods and services from a nearly unlimited number of businesses, and with so many options to choose from, it's critically important to establish long-lasting customer relationships that bring extended value to your customers. How can small businesses better manage their customer prospects, enhance the customer experience, and grow their customer base? There are many software systems available that can help you do just that. Two of the most common software solutions that businesses use to attract and retain customers are marketing automation and customer relationship management, or CRM systems. On the surface, both types of software solutions enable companies to better understand their customers. But a closer look reveals that the systems each serve different purposes on different ends of the sales funnel. Marketing automation solutions support the very beginning of the life cycle and sales process. They perform commonly required tasks such as sending emails, posting on social media, and embarking on drip campaigns. Many marketing automation solutions feature automated segmentation capabilities that help businesses better organize their customer base, helping coordinate marketing campaigns that deliver more personalized, targeted content to their prospects and customers. These solutions frequently include campaign analytics, as well as revealing which aspects of campaign customers respond to and which ones need further attention. Marketing automation solutions thus help you better understand and navigate shifting customer expectations. The benefits of a marketing automation system can best be illustrated by the following example. Say a visitor spends an extended amount of time on your website, adds a few items to the cart, but leaves the site before they purchase the items. Marketing automation software systems can continue to advertise these and similar products to prospects on social media, search engines, and more. This helps keep your products fresh in their mind and increase chances that they'll return to your site and complete the purchase. The second type of software that helps businesses maintain customer relationships is CRM. CRM tools are one of the most commonly deployed business management systems in the world today, benefiting organizations of all sizes in every industry. CRM allows you to foster strong, long-lasting relationships with customers as you move them through the sales funnel. CRM enables you to effectively manage all your interactions with all your customers and prospects across all channels and touch points, so you can deliver exceptional customer service and grow your business. CRM systems allow you to track all customer interactions, automate repetitive, tedious, or time-consuming activities, streamline workflows to optimize process efficiency, and offer relevant and personalized service throughout the sales funnel. With a clear and complete view of each customer, CRM software enables businesses to convert more leads into sales opportunities, execute more sales deals and grow their customer base, and potentially drive valuable repeat business. Now you may ask, which system is more appropriate for my small business? While small business may be able to track all customer interactions and info using spreadsheets, there are some telltale signs that you've outgrown these systems and can benefit from a marketing automation solution, a CRM solution, or an integrated CRM system with marketing automation capabilities. If you're spending too much time and effort on marketing campaigns and are struggling to target the right customers with the right messaging and acquire lead opportunities, then a marketing automation solution may help. Marketing automation software can help you segment your customers and tailor personalized messages that meet their needs and generate opportunities for your organization. This type of solution can also help you streamline marketing workflows so your process become more efficient and your marketers more productive. However, if you find that your organization's unable to expediently service customer requests or is getting complaints of poor customer service, then you may benefit from a CRM system. If you're struggling to connect with prospects or customers due to wrong or inconsistent information across departments, a CRM solution can also help. And if you're unable to track your leads using existing systems and are missing opportunities to qualify those leads and convert them into sales, then a CRM system will facilitate the sales conversion process. Your organization may benefit from a CRM system with integrated marketing automation capabilities. Such a system allows marketing teams to maximize effectiveness of marketing campaigns and lead capture processes, and for sales teams to follow through and optimize the conversion of leads and other opportunities into sales and revenue growth. It allows your business to foster strong customer relations throughout the entire sales funnel. Thus, a fully integrated CRM and marketing automation solution helps you manage all customer interactions, streamlining the marketing, lead generation, and sales conversion process, so you can deliver the goods and services to keep customers satisfied throughout the entire journey and drive repeat business. Contact us today to learn more about marketing automation, CRM, and integrated CRM systems, and to evaluate and select the solution that best aligns with your business goals and needs. We are technology evaluation centers. The choice is clear.